We here at VapeWild have a good array of pod mods for you to choose from. The question is, which is the right one for you? Well, fear not, because we're gonna tell you all about the pod mods that VapeWild carries today and all of their pros and cons. The devices we're gonna discuss today are the Aspire Sprite, the Aspire Breeze 2, and the Patino Mate 1. Hopefully by the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of pod mods and which one is gonna be best for you. The first pod mod we're gonna look at is the Aspire Sprite. This little guy has a cool angular design that is reminiscent of the Leaning Tower of Pisa. The Sprite is a button-to-fire pod mod with a removable coil pod, meaning you can change the coils while keeping the same pod. The Sprite also has a fully adjustable airflow so you can find the perfect draw that suits your vaping style. The pros. The design of this thing is really comfortable in your hand. The Aspire Sprite uses the Nautilus BVC coils, which are readily available and you can find them anywhere you look. It also uses the Nautilus BVC NS coils. NS stands for Nic Salt, so for you Nic Salt lovers out there, you can get the NS version. This device also features pass-through charging, so I can charge it while I vape. Another cool feature is it's built for regular e-juice and Nic Salt e-juice. This device is super easy to refill because the fill port is huge. Here's some things that I was not so keen on. The angle of the design is really awkward because you can't put it on a desk and have it stand up. And it's also really annoying that you can't charge it while standing up either. Another thing I don't like about this device is the battery life. It just doesn't last as long as I want it to. I just wish it would last a little bit longer. The next one is the Patino Mate 1. This mod is super stealthy. It's super small and it can fit in your pocket so easily. One thing I like about this mod is that it's draw activated, so you don't have to press any buttons to make it work. In addition to being able to use it for regular e-liquid, you can use it with your Nic Salts. This pod mod charges super fast. It's faster than any pod mod that I've ever seen. It only takes 25 minutes to charge it. That's super fast. Refilling the pod is super easy because all you have to do is pop off the top and refill. And the cons. The battery life left a little bit to be desired, but it charges up in 25 minutes, so you can't really complain. While the flavor is really good on these, it just doesn't last as long as some of the other pod mods we've tried. While the intelligent vibration could be cool for some, it kind of drains the battery life and might be kind of annoying for others. Now on to the Aspire Breeze 2. This is the little brother to the original Breeze, and it improves in almost every way. This is a push-to-fire mod, and it also has the replacement coils, so you don't have to change your pod every single time. This pod mod can use Nic Salt coils or regular e-liquid coils, so it makes this device really versatile. Like the others, it's really small in stature, so you can just put it in your pocket and go. This mod had the best battery life of any that we tried. It has 1,000 milliamp hours of battery life, and that's awesome. The pod is super easy to remove, and it clicks like right back into place with no effort. And the aluminum body makes this mod feel really solid. The adjustable airflow is located at the top of the device, so you have to take the drip tip off, adjust your airflow, put the drip tip back on, and then test it. And that's really annoying because the drip tip itself it's not easy to remove. While the pod is easy to put into place, sometimes it just doesn't fit properly, so you have to pay attention and make sure that it's sitting flush when you input it back into the device. In the end, it all comes down to what works for you. Well, I hope this video has helped you choose the pod mod that's right for you. If you'd like any more information, read the blog that's in the description down below. Until next time, VapeWild fam, see you next time. Bye.
Hey guys, it's Emily at VapeWild. Be sure to click our button and subscribe to our channel, or you could watch more videos over here. Right there. Click one, you know you want to. Click it, click it, click it. Click it right now. Right now. Click it. Right now. I don't know what else to do.